My name is Justin Pritchard. Reviewing cars is my job, playing with cameras is my hobby, and on this channel, I make videos like this one to combine the two and help put you in the driver's seat. This is the Toyota Prius AWD-E, and in this video, I want to focus specifically on the headlights fitted to my top-of-the-line tester. These are LED-fired projectors with adaptive steering, meaning that they can point into corners in sync with the steering on the car. Now you won't see much of that in this video, as I'm using this stretch of highway just outside of Sudbury, which I usually use to show you the headlight performance of different vehicles, and it's fairly straight, so we won't see the light steering too much here. But what I did want to draw your attention to was the performance of these headlights and how this car reinforces the trend that you don't need to spend big bucks to get a really good lighting system these days. And in fact, these headlights are one of my favorite things about the Prius. So here's why, and again, I'm usually prompted to make these videos to show you when I see a really good lighting system, and that's what I'm seeing here. The light is clean and white and vivid. There's no dull yellow, which can cause eye strain and looks sort of meh. Also, strong and precise beam cutoff, which helps keep the light focused where you need it the most and not where you don't. The reach for the low and high beams is really quite good. Lots of engagement of reflective surfaces up the road and clean, even consistent lighting ahead of the car. No dark spots. And like a good lighting system should, this one gives you loads of light up ahead and also plenty available into your peripheral view, into culverts and tree lines near the highway, and that's good for early warning of nearby wildlife, and that makes it a safer drive for you. So to compare, here's the lighting output from the LED lamps on a new Mercedes A-Class. And here you'll see the lighting that you'll find on a much pricier Cadillac XT6. The point, I think, is fairly self-explanatory. This relatively affordable Prius has a lighting system that wouldn't look out of place in something approaching twice the price, and that's a good thing because it gives you a safer drive. And keep in mind that a powerful lighting system like this also has the added benefit of reducing eye strain on long drives after dark, and that's because your eyes aren't straining as much to see detail far up the road, and that can leave them feeling less fatigued after several hours at the wheel. Well, that's it for this video. Remember, the latest LED technology headlights are becoming quite popular on affordable vehicles. Look for them on whatever you're shopping for. They're usually really good. Thanks for watching.